Hello guys, welcome to the chapter Setting Up Your WhatsApp. In this lesson, we're going to talk about installing and activating WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the most widely used messaging apps today. Now we're going to download and install WhatsApp for the first time. For Android users, use your Play Store to search for WhatsApp, while for Apple users, you can use the App Store to search for WhatsApp. In this demonstration, we'll be using an Android phone, so you'll be seeing the Play Store. Now search for WhatsApp. You'll see WhatsApp Messenger. Click the Install button. Once it's downloaded, you can click Open. As you may notice on the first screen, the WhatsApp logo comes with the phrase, "From Facebook." Now you're seeing the WhatsApp welcome screen. Click the button Agree and Continue. On the next screen, you need to input the phone number that you want to use for your WhatsApp. You can choose from the different countries where WhatsApp is available to use. Choose your country, then input your mobile number. Click Next. You'll see a pop-up window verifying your mobile number. If the number is correct, click OK, or if you need to edit the number, click Edit. Now you will receive a 6-digit code to your mobile number that you have provided. Check your SMS messages, then copy the 6-digit code. Type it on your WhatsApp. You'll be seeing this window to find and restore your backup from Google Drive. If you want to allow WhatsApp to access your contacts and photos on your mobile phone, click Continue. If not, click Not Now. Let's click Continue. Then allow WhatsApp to access your contacts. Click Allow. Also, allow WhatsApp to access photos, media, and files on your device. Then click Allow. Then give permission to restore your Google account backup. Click the Gmail account you want to use for restoring your backup. Now it's using your chosen Gmail account to view and manage its own configuration in the files and folders that you have opened using the app. Click Allow. If you haven't created a backup, it will show here No Backup. So just skip this process. That is how easy you can install and activate your WhatsApp. Now we can proceed to the next topic, setting up your profile. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about setting up your WhatsApp profile. In the previous lesson, we have installed WhatsApp, and now let's set up our profile. Here's the section to input our profile info. First, type in your name here. When you click this icon, you can include some emojis on your profile name. Browse any emojis you like, then click Next. It's now initializing. Now you have successfully created your profile. You are seeing the WhatsApp dashboard. Here is the section where you will see your WhatsApp chats, status, and calls. If you click each tab, you will see a different icon below. If you want to call someone in your WhatsApp contacts, just click this Calls tab and the Add Call icon below. You can browse from the list of your contacts to search for the person in your list to call. You can also invite your friends to use WhatsApp, so that you can connect via chat or call using this free WhatsApp personal app. As you can see here, you have the option to create a new group call and add participants to join you in the group call. Just select multiple contacts in your list and you have the option to create a video call or just plain voice call. Also, you can click the new contact to save a new WhatsApp contact on your list. You just need to input the name of our new contact, the organization, the mobile number, or when you click this drop-down menu, you have the options Home, Work Main, Work and Home Fax, Pager, Other, or Custom options to save. Next, you can save their email address, and using the drop-down menu, you have more options to choose from, such as Home, Work, Other, or Custom as their email. In addition, you can also add notes here, and if you want to include this new contact to a specific group that you have created, just choose a group. You can even add more fields if you like. You'll be able to add new fields like their IM for AIM, Windows Live, Yahoo, Skype, QQ, Google Hangouts, ICQ, Jabber, or customize the label. You can even set the custom ringtone for every contact you add. Input their address for home or work, their nickname, website, birthday, and your relationship with them as an assistant or referred by, family, or relative. When you're done, you have the option to select where you want to save this contact, on your phone, your Google account, or any of your SIM cards. When you click the camera icon, You can take a photo of your new contact or choose from your gallery. When you're done, click this check icon and you have added a new contact in your WhatsApp account. Now that you have learned how easy it is to set up your profile, we can now proceed to the next topic, selecting a profile picture and your status. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about selecting the profile picture and your status. From the previous lesson, we've already set up our profile and now we'll be adding a profile picture and our status. Go to your WhatsApp personal app, click the three dots, and then click Settings. In the Settings menu, you can see your profile name and a short description about you. In addition, you can also edit your account's privacy, backup, and add wallpaper to your chats, message group and call tones, data and storage usage, or invite a friend to use WhatsApp. Let's click this section. Here you can add a profile picture, change your name, edit the About section, and your mobile number is displayed here. Click the camera icon. Choose a photo from your gallery. Now you can create a selection of what part of the photo that you want to be shown in your profile photo. You can also rotate the photo if you like. Once you've selected a part of your photo, crop it and click Done. Now you have a profile photo in your WhatsApp account. In choosing your profile photo, it's good to take into account the quality of your photo and your face must occupy the circle. This will make your face more recognizable as the circle gets smaller, as you can see in this section. You can also edit the About section here, since this is the default About You that is created by WhatsApp. Customize it according to your preference. Now, let's change your status. Go back to your dashboard, click the Status tab. You can see My Status in this section. This is where we're going to update our WhatsApp status. You have the option to set the status privacy of who can see your status updates, your contacts with the exception of some contacts, or only share it with a number of your contacts. Just click My Contacts if you prefer your status to be seen by all of your contacts, then click Done. Click the pencil icon. You can edit your status using these icons. You can now type a status in this section, then add an emoji, and choose a different background color using the paint icon. The hassle with choosing a color palette is that once you've clicked on the paint icon, you can't go back to the previous color. So just keep on tapping this icon to change the color. When you click the T icon, you can change the font style of your text. Click this button to update your status. Now, your contacts will be able to see this as your status. As your contacts click this circle, this is what they will see. You can even share it with your Facebook story. Just click this icon and look for the Facebook icon in this pop-up. And you'll see this page where you can create a Facebook story. You can even edit it or just share it as is when you click this button. Going back to your WhatsApp status, click this button and you will see how many of your contacts have viewed your status. Remember that your WhatsApp status updates will disappear after 24 hours. That is how easy you can select a profile picture and change your status. We can now proceed to the next chapter, WhatsApp Marketing Basics. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.